I'll be reviewing two products. One product is what I think would be great for a local truck driver who does not have access to a microwave. I feel like this would be a great thing to use to warm your food up. It's a electric lunchbox. It says for cars, trucks are in the office. It has a regular standard plug, and then it has an adapter that you plug into the lighter port in the vehicle. So I got this because I do not have access to a microwave on the route that I run. There is no TA, no pilot, like nothing. And I'm tired of eating sandwiches for lunch. I want to eat something hot, and I ain't got money like that to be trying to stop at some fast food restaurant. So I can have home cooked food on my break in the truck. So again, it's the electric lunchbox. I got it off of Amazon. It was $19.99. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Why not? I guess we'll call this an unboxing. Go ahead and open it up. Alright. So it comes in this cute little handy dandy bag. And like the bag is insulated, so it will keep your food warm, and it will also heat up your food. So best of both worlds. Got a little card here. Say a lifetime free warranty. So this is the lunchbox itself. Top pops off easy. A manual. I guess this is like a little container for you to keep, I don't know, probably like some like fruit or something in it. It's got both the wall chart, the wall electric for the wall, and then here's the adapter for in the vehicle. And then it comes with a spoon and a fork. So there is no excuses here. You don't have to worry about trying to find you a spoon or a fork, because they got you covered. I think this is awesome. I can't wait to have some home cooked food in this here lunchbox electric warmer. So that's that. I wanted to look at the box real quick to give you a little bit. It's 80 watts, fast heating. The capacity is 1.5 liters. It's made from food grade materials. And again, it has a lifetime free warranty. You don't submerge this in any water. You probably just take a little damp cloth or something. You don't immerse it into water, so you don't have to sterilize it and none of that other stuff. But I'm thinking this is going to be a great find here. So that's that. And then I also got this iron flask off Amazon as well. Right now they're on sale. By the time you see this video, I don't know if it'll be on sale, but they're ranging, this is 40 ounces. They're ranging in price from $14.99 to $19.99. This was $19.99. Regularly $29.99. supposed to keep your cold fluid cold for 24 hours, and if you put hot things in here, you probably put some soup in here and all kind of stuff, it'll keep your hot beverages or food hot for 12 hours. And again, it's 40 ounces. And it came with 2 straws. So I feel like that was a good deal. I got 3 spouts, water bottle, and then I got this electric hot lunch box. So I am in business. I will be back, maybe if not this video, another video, to let you know how this handy dandy